Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use Hostinger's SEO toolkit. So first of all, you need to visit the official website and make sure that you buy a plan that suits your needs. And if you want a discount, just visit quickly the link in the description box to buy the best plan for your new journey. So what you're gonna do, just go ahead to the official website, and there are two ways to access the SEO settings and the Hostinger website builder: via the sidebar on the left or via the page settings. Via the sidebar, just go ahead within the builder, click on the ellipsis button, and then on the left to access the website settings, and then select SEO settings. And then if you want to do it via the page, which is the second way of navigating or accessing the SEO settings, within the builder, expand the pages and navigation panel right here by clicking on it on the left sidebar, and then click on the page settings, and then click or select SEO settings or search engine optimizer. And in the SEO settings, you can do the following: specify your business or brand name in the overview section, specify the default website's language in the overview section. Thirdly, you can customize the SEO settings of your website pages, like adding meta titles and descriptions, editing your URLs, keywords, high pages from search engines. And then there you're gonna be able to have access to their AI SEO assistant, which can help you create new SEO titles, meta descriptions, and keywords for your pages. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and don't forget to visit the link in the description below to get the discount for hosting your plan. See you in the next